Hey there, video 3 in the communication series. Now, when you are communicating, what is the outcome that you're looking for? You want to get an answer to something, or you want help with something, you're not sure, you certainly don't want to assume, as I said in the last video. So what is the end result you want? Make sure that also you are keeping a legal pad with all these questions on there so you're not interrupting the attorney all day long or another paralegal. Ask questions in batches if you have several. If you just have one and that's really it for several hours or a few hours, then go ahead and ask it. But if you have 10 questions, 5 questions, save them in a batch and then go ask all of them and then go on with your day, okay? But write every detail down, those concerns, those questions, and then you can ask a fellow paralegal or an attorney, okay? But don't guess, don't assume. What is the outcome? You need answers. Don't wait for those answers. Waiting and procrastinating doesn't work in the legal workplace. It will, it could end up where you lose your job when you're neglecting your duties. So attack it and learn how to communicate better and use a lot of politeness when you're asking people to help you, okay? And exercise that, even if you're an introvert, but don't use that as an excuse not to communicate. Okay, so let's go to video number 4 in the communication series.